Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I've prepared us a Thanksgiving tablescape. I'm using turkey transferware dishes and a color scheme of ivory and rich chocolate browns. So let's take a look around the table. For today's tablescape, I'm using a rich brown tablecloth, and I'm pairing with it some new placemats. These are burlap with a ruffled edge. I found these at LTD. They are a mail and internet company, and I thought they were really neat. They had red, but unfortunately they had already sold out of those, but I did get the burlap. I'm also going to use chargers. These are some bronze chargers. I think I may have picked those up at Goodwill. And for the china today, I'm using His Majesty. This is transferware. I got it at JCPenney's a few years ago, and it has the turkey in the middle and the fall and autumn fruits around the outer edge. Now this is not old, but there are several patterns that look a lot like this particular pattern if you want vintage. And I'm also using the salad plate. For my flatware, I'm going to use the wooden handled. I use this a lot for the autumn season, this time of year. I like the wooden handles. And for my stemware, I have these neat glasses. They sort of make me think of brown drip, but they're a brown glass with this glaze here in the middle. They came from William and Sonoma. And pairing with that, I have these fun little hand-turned wooden glasses that I picked up at Goodwill. And I'm going to be using the cup and saucers today that go with the set. Usually I can't squeeze them on, but I managed it today. And I know it's a faux pas, but I have these cute little wooden spoons that I'm going to put in the teacup. They should go right here, but they don't show up on camera, so I'm going to put them here in the teacup for today. But I picked those up at Hobby Lobby, those little wooden demi-tasse spoons. I have brown dinner napkins that I've paired with a wooden napkin ring. I found these this year at Hobby Lobby. And I have my cute little acorn placeholders. These were a Big Lots find. Here in the center of the table, I have my ivory turkey. He came from Bath and Body Works. He actually had more of a jar candle in him, but I've put a tall pillar candle instead. And in lieu of arrangements, I have these pretty bundles of wheat. They've just gathered up the sheaves and they're tied with a little bit of burlap and a little ribbon. These make for a very simple but easy centerpiece, and These I picked up at Walmart of all places. They usually don't have things like this, but I was going down through the store, and our store of course only had one, and I had to go to another store when we were at the cabin to get a second one. But I thought they were so pretty. I just love wheat this time of year, and when I look at these I think of the old hymn, Bringing in the Sheaves. I placed some little brown votives here on the table. I think I picked those up at Goodwill. And I've got various white pumpkins. And I love these wooden pumpkins. They're actually faux wood. I found these last year at Big Lots. I tried to stick to my brown and ivory color scheme. I think when you really stick to a color scheme on a tablescape, it has more impact. So I've just did the brown and the ivory pumpkins. And I have these pretty dessert plates. They've got turkeys on them in the brown tones. I got these a few years back at Walmart. And I've just put some little brown spreaders there. And at each place setting, I've put this little dish. He goes with the dessert plates. I suppose it's a custard dish. I think they're really cute. They too came from Walmart. I have the platter that goes with the set, but I never can squeeze a platter in on the table, no matter how hard I try. At this end, I have my little salt and pepper shakers. They're sort of Majolica looking, and I've also got a little pitcher that has some autumn fruits going around. It's in the brown. Here at this corner, I have a silent butler. I don't have very many of the metal ones, but this one is pewter. It's from Holland, and it has a wooden handle. And you open the lid and brush your crumbs in there. Yeah, our ceramic turkey may be the only turkey we have this year. In our area, you can't find them, but Mother and I, we like ham, so she's already bought a ham. So we'll be all right. Here I've got my tree trunk, I call it, cake stand. It's ivory and it looks like a tree trunk. And on top, I've set another one of Mother's pie covers. This one is a pecan pie, and inside it has the recipe for the pie. Mother has a big collection of the pie covers, and most of them are colorful. But this one I keep over at our little cabin because in Troy, Tennessee, they have a pecan festival, and I thought it would be neat to have over there since they have that in the fall season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you Thanksgiving blessings. Bye-bye now.